mass and extra dimensions. In all versions of string theory there are 10 dimensions, time t, and the 3 spatial dimensions x, y, z plus 6 extra spatial dimensions. The first 4 dimensions t, x, y, z are our observable universe, first heaven. The remaining 6 extra dimensions of string theory hold mass. Mass in each of these extra dimensions forms a separate heaven. 6 extra dimensions form 6 extra heavens for a total of 7 superimposed heavens, multiverse. Astronomers have just confirmed the existence of dark matter. This mysterious dark matter is invisible, however it provides the bulk of gravity that holds galaxies, not the regular matter that forms stars and planets. This invisible dark matter has weird collision properties, collisionless. Simply put, we cannot see dark matter nor collide with it, but we can detect its gravity. However, 1,400 years ago the Quran said that God swears by celestial bodies that are invisible, that move, that sweep. Quran. I swear by those that are invisible, that move, that sweep. This dark matter is invisible, moves and sweeps our hydrogen. In order to explain why this invisible dark matter neither collides with each other, nor does it collide with us, but still we detect its gravity, physicists and cosmologists are working on theories with extra dimensions. Traditionally, scientists thought that we live in a 4-dimensional universe, time and the usual 3 spatial dimensions of length, width and height, t, x, y, z. However, today there is evidence for 6 extra spatial dimensions. So we cannot see nor collide with this dark matter because it is mass in the remaining 6 extra dimensions. We, Allah, will settle your affair, both you of weight, man and jinn, just as the jinn are of different type that we cannot see nor collide with, but we can detect their gravity. There are 6 other heavens that we cannot see nor collide with either, but we can detect their gravity, superimposed above the visible one. Quran. So Allah decreed them as 7 heavens, one above the other, in 2 days, and revealed to each heaven its orders. And we, Allah, adorned the lowest heaven with lights and protection. Such is the decree of the Exalted, the Knowledgeable. According to the Quran, only the lowest heaven has visible light. This means that this dark matter exists in the 6 heavens superimposed above the lowest one. Also, according to the Quran, each of these remaining 6 heavens is of a different type, and each has its own planets like Earth. Quran. Allah is the one who created 7 heavens, and from Earth like them, of corresponding type. Allah's command descends among them so that you may know that Allah is capable of anything and that Allah knows everything. The 7 superimposed heavens have planets like Earth. It is just that we cannot see them nor collide with them, but we can detect their gravity. Dark matter does not emit any light, but we can still map its location by using gravitational lensing, that is, by detecting where light is bending in places where it shouldn't. In the above image and video, light gets bent by invisible dark matter in places where it shouldn't. Muslims say that this is how God challenges non-believers to detect the remaining 6 superimposed heavens. Quran. Allah is the one who created 7 superimposed heavens. You do not see variations in the formations of the compassionate, so redirect your sight. Do you see any creation? Then redirect your sight again, your vision returns to you in defeat and regret. Michio Kaku. However, one new theory says that dark matter may be ordinary matter in a parallel universe. If a galaxy is hovering above in another dimension, we would not be able to see it. It would be invisible, yet we would feel its gravity. Hence, it might explain dark matter. On the other hand, God swears by the heaven that has weaves. Quran. And the heaven that has weaves. Actually, those 7 heavens, multiverse, are parallel universes woven together, literally. The superimposed heavens in the Quran are the extra spatial dimensions of string theory. Today we are sure that we are not living in a universe, but rather in a multiverse.